Here we go. Day number 2, fishing before work. I'll be out here for about an hour and a half, and it's time to grind. With my buddy Adam. Say hi, Adam.
What's up?
And we got a little kitty over here we're chasing. Kitty chasing kitty, get it? Meow. Oh. Here you go.
He on the highway flat like
Highway flat. Can we see the highway from here? Break my fucking pole, I'll be really mad. So, caught a bass yesterday. Nice one. That's it. He, on the other hand, caught catfish. Yeah, he caught a couple catfish. What you guys seen? You seen the one when we walked up. And then what? You catch 2 after that? No, just one more, that's right.
Yeah. He's got a couple of decent bites before we left.
There's the highway. Yep. Highway. If you ever come our way, make sure you go see Marinelli Field. You gotta see it. Next right. You have to go. Just saying.
Oh no.
Funny, right? Oh. Hot out today.
It was a little warm.
Huh? What the hell? Do not want to work today. It's too damn nice. Definitely is. Oh, dude, we didn't bring bug spray.
No, we didn't. We got it once again.
Once again, no bug spray. Look at that sun, dude. It's bright as hell. Look, we got our own airport.
What?
Yeah, upgrade.
Where do they do that at?
Chicago and Rockford now.
Look at that. You see how they changed it down there?
Mm-hmm.
When I come down here last time, I thought it was all flooded.
Oh.
Then I got closer, that's when it was about sunk in. I lost my shoe.
Yep. He went swimming yesterday without me, damn it. Yes. We are here at my haven.
In case y'all don't know why, I like to go swimming.
You hear that? He likes to swim. Go ahead and tell him about your little incident.
Nah.
No, you're not going to tell him?
Not ready for that one.
No?
No.
You don't want to tell him?
No.
Well, anyways,
Kind of scary.
he showed up down here yesterday fishing, as you guys know.
Oh, you're talking about yesterday.
And he decided he wanted to go fall in the water without me. Second time in a row he's done it without me. He gonna learn one of these days.
The first time was pretty scary though.
We are here, y'all.
Water was moving pretty fast.
Yeah, look at that. There's our boat. No. Go back over here. Oh, yeah, it is. Oh no, we're in mud, y'all. There we go. We have a tree. Really hope to catch some fish. That'd be nice before I go to work, right? His rotten chicken liver's still here. I'm using worms. I'm not touching that stuff. Well, I don't know. I'm ready to fish. I'm gonna end this. Until next time.